we go. This is the ribbon. You can plug it. It's very sweet. As you can see, this is the ribbed one. This one. See? This one. That one. This is the red one. There are different types of dates grown here. Some are yellow, some are red. As you can see, this is so beautiful. The red dates and the yellow dates. This is called the red dates. You may like it. As you can see, beautiful. And this is going to be ribs. See? It's become black. Oh, these are yellow dates. Beautiful. See how beautiful it is. As you can see, this is the this is, see, beautiful. This is the dates. It grows at my backyard. This is a ripped one. You can have it now. Pluck it. Super tasty.